Situation 1. The metal detector does not turn on. Cause analysis 1. The battery is dead. Solution. Replace with a new battery. Situation 2. The metal detector does not work. Cause analysis 1. The cable of control box not connected well. Solution. Replug the cable properly and tighten the nut. Cause analysis 2. Sensitivity setting too low. Solution. Increase the sensitivity. Cause analysis 3. The metal category of the detector is eliminated. Solution. Restore all eliminated metal categories. Cause analysis 4. Surge coil is not parallel to the ground. Solution. Adjust the surge coil angle to be parallel to the ground. Situation 3. The detector sounds false signals, continuous beeping. Cause analysis 1. Sensitivity setting too high. Solution. Reduce the sensitivity. Cause analysis turn. Environmental electromagnetic interference, transformers, cables, signal base stations, etc. Solution. Change the detection environment, turn off the switch and restart. Cause analysis 3. Sweeping the detector's surge coil too fast or at a wrong angle. Solution. Sweep the surge coil more slowly and hold the detector correctly. Cause analysis 4. Using two detectors in close proximity. Solution. Keep two detectors at least 6 meters apart. Cause analysis 5. There may be over one kind of metal targets. Solution. Reduce the sensitivity to eliminate the detection of the deeper target.